I am very proud and happy to see how Indian manufacturers are being recognized in the global market. The latest innovations they have created have been benchmarked in many of the sectors. This achievement is all because of their hard work and the efforts what they have been done in the past years. Fagor Automation is committed to this success, and we are providing them the latest innovation and technology for the manufacturing sector. It is very important to celebrate this success of our Indian manufacturers. So we, joining hands with machine maker, we are coming to Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar on March 22nd for the event called Manufacturing Maestros. So see you all there on 22nd of March.